How to use Figma for creating website wireframes. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma for creating website wireframes. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, go to figma.com and either sign in or create a free account. Now here are my pre-made samples. Let's open one of it and show you how it works. Select the Frame tool from the top bar and choose a desktop size like 1440 px to start your wireframe. Use the rectangle and text tools to sketch out basic elements like headers, navigation bars, content blocks, and footers. Keep everything in grayscale. Focus on structure, not colors or images at this stage. Use Figma's grid and alignment tools to keep your layout clean and well organized. Label each section clearly so your team can understand the structure at a glance. Once done, share the wireframe with your team by clicking the Share button and copying the link. That's how you can create a website wireframe in Figma quickly and efficiently. Try it out and streamline your design process. That's all for the video.